Right then, so we're here on a new project today. We're doing 38 metres of mortise close board fencing with concrete posts and concrete gravel boards. We're going to be bringing down the level of the concrete base here and installing six. We've pretty much got most of the fencing up now. Just that corner to finish up over there, that side to finish up over there, and our cappings just to finish off the tops of the fencing. We've used concrete posts, concrete gravel boards. The gravel boards are fixed using an M10 bolt and metal cleats. We use 3 arris rails, fixed the 6-foot feather edge boards onto those using galvanised 50mm nails. Yeah, we obviously set our 2 corner posts in, set our string line along, level, 6 foot down, and use that as a marker to set our gravel boards in. When we got to this slope over here, we just already had our 6 foot mark down at that end, and we just fitted it at 6 foot. Set our string line to where that 6 foot line is there. And that just ran the whole way, and that gave us our gradient all the way up. And then, like I say, from that point there, it's dead level, 6 foot down from the top of the post. We use the string line to just level that across.